Hi, this is Joy from your AI Wizards, and we are continuing with our series on your AI hustle. And in this video, we're going to talk about what makes you unique. If you're starting a side hustle, one of the things that you need to think about is who's your target market? Who are you going to sell to? And kind of what sets you apart. And this is another way that AI can help you. So I already put in my prompt and I asked ChatGPT, can you give me some tips that makes my new side hustle unique? I am opening up a business that offers unique flavors to add to dinners, soups, and desserts. My market is to working women that don't have a lot of time but want food that isn't fast food but is fast to make and tastes good. What tips can you what tips can we create that would set me apart from others in the market? And then it gave me an answer: customization and personalization, health and nutrition focus, convenience and usability, educational content, sustainability and ethical sourcing, unique flavors, innovation, and a couple of more. And then I thought, I want to narrow it down even more. So my second prompt was, can you give me more tips if my target market is women over 40? And then it says, focus on health and wellness, anti inflammatory and superfoods, convenience without compromise, luxurious and experiential, community and connection, education empowerment, personalization and flexibility, marketing and messaging. And then it gives me the key takeaways. So before you start your side hustle, you need to think about who your target market is and what's going to set you apart. Now, this is just two quick examples of how to use ChatGPT to make you unique. But the more information you put in the prompt, the better the response is going to be. So if you're starting a jewelry business, a makeup business, I'm doing a food business, who am I looking to reach? And then that's who I put in the prompt. So if I was going to go even further, I would say my business is going to be in Colorado Springs. This is how I'm going to market. I'm going to use social media. I'm going to do home parties, all different types of points about how you want to develop your business. And ChatGPT will give you a response on how to set yourself apart and how to make yourself unique. Why that is important is because when you start doing your marketing, this will give you kind of the foundation of your messaging. So you want to have a good idea from the beginning on how you're going to set yourself apart and use ChatGPT as a tool to really nail down your messaging. All right. Thanks so much. I'll see you next time.